You are so cute. Oh my god, I love this, you guys. Welcome back to the Cariboo. I have been chilling in this cabin up in British Columbia, Canada for the last while. Not gonna lie, it has been a minute since I have had human contact, but it actually doesn't feel that bad, and I feel like that's because I solo vlog so much that I'm just used to being alone for long periods of time. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it is what it is. So today I wanted to do a little bit of a day in my life up here in the Cariboo. We're gonna do a little bit of adventuring, but mostly just hanging out. And also I wanted to do a test run of my new equipment. Today is my very first day breaking out my brand new camera, the Sony a6400. I can do fancy things like this. Who knew I could do that? Anyways, so to start today's vlog off, I want to make some lunch. I want to make some pancakes because it is quarantine and there are no rules anymore. And also that's the stuff that I have ingredients for right now. It's really funny. Like, I used to just pop out to the store if I needed something, pick it up, you know, but now I'm very conscious to like never go to the store unless I absolutely have to. So today, we're making pancakes. The only thing that's missing is we don't have any maple syrup, which as a Canadian is very offensive, but I have some agave syrup here, so I'll use that instead. But honestly, like, I'm so serious about my maple syrup usually because I put it in my coffee, I put it in my peanut butter. Maple syrup goes on everything, and that is a fact. That is a fat stack of pancakes, and I am not mad about it. Finally put on real people clothing, which, if we're being honest, is an accomplishment these days. I don't know about you guys, but in this whole like quarantine / lockdown situation, personal hygiene has been slipping, to say the least. Since I'm dressed now, I figured that we could go out and do a little bit of a drive. There's all these really gorgeous country roads in the area that I haven't had the chance to explore yet, so I just want to go drive around, see what we can find, do a little exploring. All right, let's go find us a good old-fashioned country road. Something I have been loving about being in a small town is everyone says hi to each other and everyone is super nice. Like, all the neighbors, they come by, they say hi. When I first arrived, I had like 3 people pop by and be like, oh hey, didn't recognize your car, just wanted to come and say hello, blah, blah, blah. man, small towns, something to it. I just pulled over because I saw the cutest little horsey. We have to go and say hi to him. He's the sweetest looking thing I've seen in my entire life. What's your name? You're so pretty, yeah. Hi. Oh my god, I love this, you guys. Look at how friggin' cute he is. Hi, buddy. He's a little horsey. Honestly, this is a dream. I love coming out into the nature and doing something different. This is so cool. Man, this just shows you turn off one country road and you never know what you're gonna discover. And I actually had a really interesting question on one of my videos the other day about whether I very carefully plan each one of my trips or if I sort of just go with the flow. And the answer is both. If I'm flying really far to go see something, chances are I'm gonna prepare and know what I'm gonna see before I go there. But on days like today, when I'm just exploring and seeing what the world has to offer, I like to just sort of go with the flow and cruise around. I find that can be a really cool way to discover something new that you didn't expect to see. And I think this is actually where I'm gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye! Horsey. I love little horses.